To another West Angling video. Hey, what's going on, everybody? We are doing more ice fishing today. We have safe ice. As you can see, we are actually kind of in the middle of nowhere, but we're at my buddy's backyard pond. I'm here with my good buddy Wolf today. As you guys have seen in previous videos, this is his very last day of ice fishing since he has to go back to the Air Force. We're gonna see if we can get him on a bass. And we're here with my buddy Nate, who is a good friend of ours, and they live out here. This is their own little pond that he stocks. So we're just gonna see if we can get on some fish. Let's do this. Let's drop down. Let's get into some bass.
My phone. I can take a photo for me.
Dude, let's go.
Come on, work with me.
Yeah, they just basically made it.
Didn't even have a Vex.
Made a hole every like 10 feet. So.
There we go.
Oh yeah.
Nice.
First bass of the year.
First bass through the ice. I cannot believe you're
You
slaying.
think this hook is clean enough?
Yeah, that looks fine.
No, I'm gonna fish right where your foot is.
Oh, okay.
Just rinse
On. That feels decent. Oh. Oh, dude, that actually feels really good. Oh my. Hold up. This, I don't know if this is a bass. Is it?
I'm on two.
Oh yeah,
Dude,
that's
we
a
just
good
double
bass. Yeah. Unless you're wrapped around mine. Oh, I was just wrapped around yours. Holy cow, this guy is fighting pretty hard. Let's go, baby.
That's the biggest one.
Nice. No, that's about the same size.
We were on two different fish.
Really?
I was in the mouth.
What? Nathaniel?
Yeah.
Oh, he just popped off. Would you like to change your lure up?
I might. You guys using the same shit?
I'm using a little lipless. I have if you look in that box right there, I have tons of baits like that. So.
I want a bigger guy.
Yeah.
Hey, come fish this we drilled 3 holes.
Let's go, baby. Ice to start off 2021. Let's go. We'll get them back. White. Go. Nice. There we go. So what I'm throwing right here is the 13 Fishing Micro Magic Man with a little waxy on the end of it. And we're gonna violate this hole with Wolf and see if we can.
I'll switch back.
No. Stay. We're good.
I got my depth set.
Oh, okay. So so you did have a fish on right there?
Oh yeah, I saw it. It was a nice bass.
Because my fish had like gone over.
It was in its mouth.
Okay. Honestly, the little runs he had felt like a catfish.
That was the biggest one of the day so far.
You sure that was?
Pulls a catfish out. I mean,
Bluegill, bass, catfish. What kind of catfish channel?
blue channel and flathead.
Max rum on that. Or do you?
I put it on the bottom treble.
The back.
No, the very bottom, like the middle one, I guess. Front one. Whatever.
Do you see mine on there?
I do not.
Okay, I'm gonna reel it up like a foot.
So.
It's like a hybrid spoon thingy.
I love spooning.
I love spooning.
Fishing so fun. If you were a bass, where would you be? I'd be in the water.
Honestly, I think you hit the nail on the head with that one,
Bold
Wolf.
strategy, but you know, I'd buy it.
Yeah, why not?
You want to check those holes?
I would if they were open. Oh yeah. It's just stuck. Oh, this is a good foot deeper, about.
Where do you want that hole behind you?
Yeah, like kind of like right. Do it. Well, do it like right here.
Directly under.
Yep. Wait, what do I hold on to? Okay, I'm ready. Don't yank.
Good?
Yep. Okay. Oh! Oh! Ah! Hold up! Hold up! Okay, wait. I'm trying to get my GoPro at a good angle. Let me. Ow! I was not looking. All right. Just a sec. Let me get cross-legged. Okay. Okay. That should be decent. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh. Ah! Ah! Oh, it's so wet. It's so wet. It's so wet. It's in my pants. Oh. Maybe we should stick to that side. I got water like all in my pants and shirt. Wolf! All right, okay. I got this. Okay, let's do this. Come on. I suck. Oh, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Woo! Ah! This is too hard. Oh, I'm so cold right now. Nothing about me is warm right now.
Hey, we'll meet you out there and start loading the car.
Guys.
That was fun. That was a big old fatty.
Oh yeah, they were good size.
Well, so
They were pretty fish.
super beautiful colors on them, very vibrant.
What are you hoping for the next spot?
Well, I don't even bass. What's in the next spot?
You know, you're running the mill pond like bass, bluegill, catfish.
Oh,
That's about it.
Hike or anything?
Nope.
Oh, okay, well, just bass.
Yeah,
You know
bass.
me, I'm a simple man.
All right, let's get going. Tighten, yep, there you go. Nate's on, guys. Here, I can help land it if needed. Just don't horse it, I guess. Yep, you're good. You're good.
Doesn't feel too big.
No, but
Pulling some
a bass.
Yeah, I think so.
Nice. Nice, dude. Let's go.
Give him a beer.
Give you the beer. You have to shotgun that.
Okay. Ooh.
Here, we'll get
Need
him.
a screenshot or something later.
Yep. There we Nice. There we go. Let's go.
Fist me.
Woo! All right, guys, we're still out here at spot number 2. We can't mark anything right now. We're not seeing anything. Nate caught that bass earlier, and that was it. So we're gonna be here a little longer. We actually have Wolf on his way right now with Taco Bell. So what a lifesaver. Nate, how's it going?
Hungry.
We're all hungry, so we're gonna fish a little longer, eat, and we might head out. So not too eventful of a day, but we got out on the ice, so we can't complain. So when a fish comes up, I tied on a little tungsten jig, so if something comes and takes it, you'll be seeing it on the GoPro. So, all right, guys, I am back at the house. It has actually been a few days since we've been fishing. I'm currently editing the video right now. I appreciate every single one of you. I say that every time, but I really do. If you guys watch, especially if you watch till now, I appreciate you so much. It seriously helps me out a lot. And I'll tell you what, right now, I'm having an absolute blast making these videos, especially ice fishing videos. I don't know what it is about them, but I really enjoy getting out there and making content while out on the ice. And hopefully soon, sucks Wolf is going back to the Air Force. He'll probably be back during the summer, so you guys won't see him for a while. Shout out to Nathan for taking us out. We've been meaning to get out on Nathan's pond for a while now, and just open water fish even, because he stocked a lot of fish in there, and it just figured to make for a cool video. So shout out to Nathan, shout out to Wolf, and yeah, hopefully here soon we're gonna get Alyssa out on the ice. Actually, crossing my fingers, this weekend we're getting her out. So if that happens, you guys already know you're gonna see a video. So again, appreciate every single one of you, and I will catch you guys on the next Westo Angling video. Peace out, everybody.